Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about a topic that seems to be top of mind for everybody, and that is, are we heading for a repeat of 2008, and are we going to be facing a housing crisis? And the economists are saying no, that is not going to happen, and they're giving us 3 reasons why that we'd like to discuss today. The first one is the lending practices. Back in 2008 and the years leading up to 2008, the mortgage companies had a very lenient qualification process. And that was, they had programs that were for people that had bad credit or not a lot of money, programs for self-employed buyers that said you don't have to tell me of any of your qualifications, or so it's called a no stated income loan or low documentation loan. And that led itself to people buying homes that were not quite ready. And the pendulum swung to today, where it's much more difficult to qualify for a loan. You have to prove your assets, prove your income, and so everything got a little bit tighter, which is good for the market.
Yep.
Andrea, what's number 2?
So number 2, back then we had a high level of cash out refinances and defaults. So essentially people were using their home as a piggy bank back then. So they were pulling out money for vacations, cars, you name it. As a matter of fact, some people were even pulling money out to help them pay their mortgage that they couldn't afford. So of course, as the pricing shifted downward, people owed way more on their mortgage than what their home was worth. Hence, they defaulted on their loan, and we had a record number of foreclosures between 2007 and 2015. So conversely, as Diane just mentioned, we have very well qualified buyers who can afford to make their payments, who have stable jobs, have a strong equity position over the last couple years with the market appreciation. And in fact, the foreclosure rate has been at an all-time low the last 4 years. Diane, what's number 3?
Well, number 3 is the housing inventory levels. Back in 2008, the builders' new construction was very abundant. There were a lot of homes on the market because of the new construction.
Yep.
And as we've been repeating month after month after month after year, really, the inventories are at a very low point. So the inventory levels are very low compared to 2008, and we have a lot of buyers that are vying for the same homes, which skyrockets the appreciation. So it's completely different than what we saw in 2008. Yep. Complete opposites.
Yep, that's why the pricing is going up, because there's no inventory, which that wasn't the case back in 2008. So we hope you found this information helpful, especially if you had concerns about the bubble or an upcoming bust. So if you have any additional questions regarding this, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're happy to answer any questions you have. Our contact information is below. And of course, if you know anybody who can take advantage of hearing this information, please share the video, because it's important information. So as always, we appreciate you tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you the next time. Take care.
See you guys later.